Hey guys, this is Danielle and today I'm going to be trying out a new vegan recipe to me from the Oh She Glows cookbook. This is an amazing book. I will link it below. She has a really popular blog, so you may have heard of her. And it is January and I have been craving a casserole and didn't really know how to do that vegan style. So today for you, I am making her crowd-pleasing Tex-Mex casserole. And here is how it went. This recipe calls for rice, so I am making some brown rice. A tip is to make rice with stock instead of water. So I've got some veggie stock in there, a crushed clove of garlic, and some red pepper. It just really makes it taste a little bit better. The recipe will be linked below, but you will need a spice blend of chili powder, cumin, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt and pepper, red onion, bell pepper, jalapeno and garlic, salt and pepper, olive oil, corn, tomato sauce and diced tomato, kale, black beans, vegan cheese, a handful of corn tortilla chips, and rice. For a few minutes, saute the peppers, onion, garlic, and jalapeno pepper until lightly softened. It smells so good in here. I can't believe it. I had to switch pots because it wasn't big enough, but I have everything in here now except the rice and the cheese. I'm going to stir this up first and then add that. I have half of the vegan cheese in here. The other half will be for the top. So I'm going to stir this in, and I'm supposed to have the 3 cups of rice in here too, but I don't have room and this is pretty big. So I would give a negative point for that to this recipe. But what I did instead, I've greased a casserole. I've greased the casserole pan because we're gonna finish this in the oven, and I put the rice in here. So I'm just gonna stir up everything in here and finish this up. Everything is mixed together with the rice. I can't explain how good it smells in here. I think mostly due to the spice blend that she had. So I'm gonna crumple up those chips, put them on top as well as the remaining vegan cheese. Okay, there we go. I'm going to cover this with tin foil and put this in the oven for 10 minutes. The oven is set to 375, and then we will be ready to try it. I think it's going to be amazing. We are about to dig in, but wanted to show you what it looks like right outside of the oven. It smells good, looks good, and I am excited. Here we go. Do you like it, James?
Yeah.
This is good. This is super, super, super good. I don't miss the meat at all. That was so good. You guys have to get this book. This I picked up at the library, but I'm for sure going to pick up a copy of my own. And she has a really good looking nacho recipe in here that I am for sure gonna make for the Super Bowl. So I hope you liked everything. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you next time. Bye guys.